We have some exciting news for you. We heard your feedback that you want the option to go controller-free on the Magic Leap 2, and we listened. We're rolling out new improvements that optimize our OS for better hand tracking, and starting this 1.8.0 release, hand tracking will be on by default. So now you can navigate our OS totally controller-free should you wish to do so. This won't affect any third-party apps, only our OS. This includes things like the home menu, settings, and some other components. And it won't affect the controller either. You can still use the controller at any point, the same way you have in the past. And we've added the ability for you to seamlessly switch between the two inputs, so you can use both hand tracking and the controller interchangeably. To access these features, make sure you update your Magic Leap 2 to the latest 1.8.0 version, and you can do so from the Magic Leap Hub, the OS Updater from within Settings, System, or via your MDM. And for more information, check out the links in the description below. When you upgrade your Magic Leap 2, hand tracking will be available in two modes, Near Mode and Far Mode. Near Mode allows you to directly interact with your UI by poking it. And Far Mode keeps your UI at a distance and allows you to interact using a hand ray and the pinch to select gesture. For more information on how to use the two modes, check out our video on using hand gestures in the OS. We're so excited to offer you this and other updates to make your Magic Leap 2 experience better. Stay tuned to learn more.